And we're back to Gimp. Let me show you how to create a pop-out effect. Search for the right images that makes things easier, and I have black and white as my colors right here. I use a laptop image, there's a little bit of an angle, and then I put what I want to have pop out on top. I decrease the opacity so that I can place it properly, and you may want to use the scale tool, Shift S right here, to resize that a little bit, make it that part of it exceeds the screen. You can use a picture frame, photo frame, maybe even a TV, stuff like this. Then right click on this layer, give it a layer mask, make it fully white. And we want to paint on this, so make sure that you're on the layer mask and not the layer, right here in this layer menu. Then we'll create a simple selection. Let me use the paths tool and I'll go over the screen. And I spare the parts that exceed the screen. Later on we'll go over the smaller parts anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just go over it like this, left clicks. When you've arrived at the start, you can hold Control, left click on the first one, and this will close your path. Right click, select from path. Then we need to invert it under select. And now we can use, for example, the paintbrush tool, make it black, increase the size, and just paint over it. Once again, we're on the layer mask, not the layer. And now this cleans up all of the parts that we don't need. Let me increase the opacity, and you can see that. We've placed the image on top of the screen. And now we can take care of the smaller parts. At first go to select, and then none. You can also press Shift Ctrl A for that. Then make the brush size smaller, and then with black color paint over this like so. If you've painted too far, you can just press X. You have a white color selected then, and bring parts back. I move around in this image holding the spacebar, and I zoom in and out holding Control, and then I use the mouse wheel, and this is basically all there is. The more time you put in, as always, the better the results are going to look, as there are a couple of details to fix. I'm going to give this video a timestamp, so if you know what's happening here, you can just skip ahead. And now we're basically done. Just increase the opacity again. There's still a little bit of details here and there that I'm going to fix for my thumbnail, but this is the process that you can use to create this pop-out effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.